Tobacco use and your health. My name is Jennifer Metcalf. I am a student in the nursing program at Indiana State University. This presentation is for Nursing 444 Community Health Nursing. The part I am focusing on is anyone that uses any tobacco product or knows someone who does. After viewing this presentation, participants will be able to 1. Describe the type of tobacco products identified in this presentation. 2. List the types of cancers that can be caused by tobacco use. 3. Describe some of the effects on your body caused by tobacco use that can lead to heart disease and/or strokes. 4. List some lung diseases caused by tobacco use. 5. Describe how tobacco use causes lung disease. 6. Describe the effect that tobacco use can have on people with diabetes. 7. Describe some of the complications that can occur from tobacco use while pregnant. 8. List 2 reproductive issues that can be caused by tobacco use. 9. Describe some of the effects of secondhand smoke on individuals who don't smoke. 10. Describe how many Americans die each year from tobacco-related illnesses. Before viewing this presentation, please complete the pre-test, post-test that is located in the comments below. After viewing the presentation, please complete the pre-test, post-test again to see what you have learned. Also included in the comments below are the answers to the pre-test, post-test questions, a brochure or summary of this presentation, and references where more information can be found. Types of tobacco products. Cigarettes. Smokers inhale toxic and cancer-causing chemicals along with nicotine. Cigars. They contain 10 times the amount of nicotine, 2 times the amount of tar, and 5 times the amount of carbon monoxide than one filtered cigarette. Cigarillos. They are also called little cigars. They are available in candy and fruit flavors. Dissolvables. These are a type of smokeless tobacco. They come in lozenges, strips, or sticks and may look like candy. They also come in different flavors. More types of tobacco products. Smokeless tobacco. This includes different types of chewing tobacco and snuff. They come in different flavors and also lower nicotine varieties. E-cigarettes. These use a heat source powered by a battery to turn e-liquid, which contains nicotine and flavorings, into an aerosol that is inhaled. Hookahs. These are used to smoke specially made tobacco that comes in different flavors. During a 1-hour hookah session, 100 to 200 times the volume of smoke from one cigarette is inhaled. Tobacco use and cancer. Tobacco use can lead to many different types of cancer, including cancer of the mouth, throat, lung, stomach, liver, pancreas, kidney, cervix, bladder, rectum, and a type of blood cancer called acute myeloid leukemia. Tobacco use interferes with cancer treatment. The risk of recurrence is increased, along with the chance of serious complications and death. Tobacco use and heart disease and strokes. 1 in 4 deaths from heart disease and strokes are caused by tobacco use. Tobacco use causes increased triglycerides, which is a type of fat in the blood, and low HDL, which is the good cholesterol. Tobacco use increases the chance of blood clots forming, which can block blood flow to the heart and brain. Tobacco use damages the cells that line the blood vessels increasing the buildup of plaque in blood vessels and causing blood vessels to thicken and narrow. Tobacco use and lung disease. Tobacco use causes several types of lung disease, including emphysema, bronchitis, chronic airway obstruction, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and pneumonia. Tobacco use causes lung disease by damaging the airways and the small air sacs, called alveoli, that are in the lungs. Tobacco use can trigger an asthma attack or make an attack worse. Tobacco use and diabetes. Tobacco use increases the chance of getting type 2 diabetes by 30 to 40%. Tobacco use makes it harder for diabetics to control blood sugar and increases the chance of having serious complications such as heart disease and kidney disease, poor blood flow in the legs and feet that can lead to infections, ulcers, and amputation, blindness, nerve damage in the arms and legs that causes numbness, pain, and weakness. Tobacco use and reproductive issues. Tobacco use while pregnant increases the risk of complications such as premature birth, low birth weight, certain birth defects, SIDS, which is sudden infant death syndrome, ectopic pregnancy, and stillbirth. Tobacco use can also cause reduced fertility in women and erectile dysfunction in men. Health effects of tobacco use. Tobacco use can also lead to rheumatoid arthritis, cataracts, hip fractures, impaired immune function, gum disease, and overall diminished health. In the United States, tobacco use is the largest preventable cause of death and disease. It is estimated that 480,000 Americans die each year from tobacco-related illnesses. Effects of secondhand smoke. Secondhand smoke has caused 2.5 million deaths since 1964 among non-smokers. Secondhand smoke causes heart disease, lung cancer, and stroke in adults. Non-smokers are 20 to 30% more likely to get lung cancer when exposed to secondhand smoke. Secondhand smoke causes health issues in infants and children such as severe asthma attacks, respiratory infections, ear infections, and sudden infant death syndrome, or SIDS. Please visit these sites for more information on tobacco use and your health and the health of those around you.